4 square minus 2 square divided by 4 times 5. 4 square means 4 times 4. Likewise, 2 square means 2 times 2. Now, 4 times 4 gives us 16. 16 minus 2 times 2 gives us 4, divided by 4 times 5. 16 minus 4 gives us what? 12, divided by 4 times 5. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. Now our expression becomes 3 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. This answer is wrong. This answer is wrong because the rule of mathematics, which is the order of operation called PEMDAS, was not properly used while calculating this expression. Now let's use PEMDAS to solve this question. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now our expression again: 4 square minus 2 square divided by 4 times 5. Now, do we have any expression in parentheses here? No. Exponents, yes, we have them here. We have 4 square and 2 square. So 4 square gives us 16 minus 2 square gives us 4, divided by 4 multiplied by 5. Remember that multiplication and division are equal, so the both of them are of the same priority. Likewise, addition and subtraction are equal and are of the same priority. So if you have multiplication and division in an expression and the both of them are together, you move from the left to the right, which also applies to addition and subtraction. When the both of them are together in an expression, you move from the left to the right. Now back to our expression here: 16 minus 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. We shall be starting with the division because we are moving from the left to the right using the order of operation called PEMDAS. So 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. So our expression becomes 16 minus 1 multiplied by 5. Next is our multiplication. 1 multiplied by 5 will give us 5. Now we have 16 minus 5. So 16 minus 5 gives us 11. This is our final and correct answer. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more PEMDAS challenges. Till we meet in the next video. Bye.